Hello, sir. I hope you are doing well. And I am Saurabh Chipa, and I built a RAG chatbot using the NEC and Wattmonk data. And the NEC data, I received the NEC data from the by searching on the Google, and I received the PDF about the NEC data, and I received the Wattmonk data with the email of the assessment the HR provides me. They also provide the Wattmonk PDF also, Wattmonk information also in the PDF form. So in this video, I show you how my RAG chatbot works. So now I started. So and now I ask with this chatbot about the Wattmonk data. So what is Wattmonk? So this chatbot gives the answer about the Wattmonk. It's a modern solar energy and renewable company established in the 2019 and which is dedicated to driving the global shift towards the clean renewable energy through the innovation and the efficiency. Okay, now I will ask with this chatbot about some other questions regarding the uh, like the full form of NEC. So it gives the answer regarding the NEC about the NEC stands for the National Electrical Code. And now I ask with this chatbot regarding the what is the work of NEC. So let's see what's the answer about the NEC. So the NEC is the work of a company that is manufacturing the electrical equipments. Okay, so sir, I used the FAISS for the semantic search in this chatbot, and I use the flattened TF for generating the answers in this chatbot. And thank you, sir. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to show you about the assessment. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.